Hello everybody, this is David from Real Hardware Reviews, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blackberry Keyone. So let's look at this box, and we're pretty much greeted with a pretty big box from Blackberry. So if you want to compare it to a regular iPhone box, which I have right here, in comparison to it, you can see the size difference alone. So let's open this box and see what we got. So first thing is a sleeve for the actual phone, and you go greeted with a basic matte black box. Opening it up, what we are greeted right off the bat is the actual Blackberry. Not bad, not bad. This is feels very industrial. Pretty solid phone, actually, not gonna lie. Let's see what's inside the box, and we have instruction sets from the looks of it. So first things first, instruction sets. Inside this instruction set we probably will get, and inside the instruction set we get the SIM ejector tool, and various Blackberry instructions and stuff that at the end of the day no one's gonna read. Inside the box itself we get various accessories like, oh look at that, give you headphones right off the bat, a charger cable. I think it's a USB Type-C. Yep, correct, USB Type-C. As I can see from the bottom of this phone, it is USB Type-C. Plus one for Blackberry. A regular USB charger, and it's not a Type-C charger, it's a regular USB one, which is great to have. And different types of earpods for your headphones. And nothing else. That's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Blackberry Keyone. Not gonna lie, this phone looks pretty sweet. A bit hefty, but pretty nice in the feel. So I want to thank Tom Harris for giving these phones out to review and unbox. Without them, this review wouldn't be possible. And yes, this is the end for the unboxing of the Blackberry Keyone. Big shout out to Tom Harris for giving us these phones to review and unbox. Visit their site, www.tomharris.ca, for more information about them. And yeah, this is Dave from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.